A lot of people think of the Royal College of Art as being paintbrushes and potter's wheels. 50 years ago, absolutely, that's all we were about. Over the last 10 years, we've realigned ourselves to be at the forefront of STEAM research and education, so that's science, technology, engineering, arts and maths. 10 years ago, the RCA had 800 students, and today we've got 3,000. That's an incredible growth trajectory. What we needed was a cross-college enterprise platform. We're currently using IT service management, replacing our existing ticketing tool, but also we've adopted customer service management across all of our student-facing business areas. Adopting ServiceNow is a full business change. We, as a small technology organisation, could not support that level of change. So bringing in Expert Services was entirely to increase our speed to return on investment, to actually get the people in our team upskilled and productive in as short as time possible. Expert Services really fused with the RCA team, and they quickly really understood our business. They understood our pain points. They went directly to our customers and said, "Tell me how this can be better." The Expert Services team at ServiceNow are one of the few teams in my career where I've had complete trust in them to actually go and talk to our business users. That level of trust has enabled a much quicker adoption of the processes. It is an RCA implementation team that just happens to contain some of ServiceNow's Expert Services.